Hello, my name is Bill and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick dish of fried rice with some leftovers. Living in New York made me crazy for Chinese food. I didn't have it as a child. I love to throw together a quick snack or lunch of fried rice. Sure, I get on my walk and make a meal, but I just want a lunch that's easy to clean up. I had some spare ribs, so I took the meat off the bone. And I also had some white rice, leftover takeout Chinese food. This takes no time to prep and only uses one pan. We're going to take a non-stick frying pan and we've got a tablespoon of butter in there. Get it nice and heated up. At about medium-high heat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry half a cup each of chopped carrots and onions. Now while that's softening, it's going to take about a minute. We've got our cup of white rice I'm going to throw in here. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Okay, in goes the white rice. Sesame oil. And soy sauce. Incorporate everything together. Nice and heat it through. And make sure we get everything nice and heated through. While that finishes up, I'm going to work around in here the pork. This is oyster sauce. It's excellent for flavor. Also gives it a nice deep color. It's starting to come together here. In Chinese food, you add things a little at a time so that you don't lose the temperature of your wok, or the frying pan in this case. Okay, got half cup of thawed peas I'm going to throw on top here. Again, make sure everything's nice and even together. I'm going to move everything kind of off to one side to give me a little blank space. If the pan's looking a little too dry, we can certainly add a little more butter. I think we're going to be okay. And what I want to do is I got this egg here. So it's better to crack an egg on a flat surface, not an edge. I'm going to crack it, throw it right in the pan. And before it sets, we're going to take my spatula, flip it around here. See how quickly this egg cooks. Looking like it's going to be a snack here pretty quick. I'm going to kind of chop it up so it's not all one big lump. So far this is really pretty easy. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to incorporate everything back together. We've got a nice lunch for two or a snack of one. And that's how I make really easy fried rice. This is so simple, tastes great, easy to make, easy to clean up. I mean, what more can you ask for? Of course, I'm going to pair this with a white Bordeaux, one of my favorites. And this is really something to have fun with, make easy. You can use anything. You can use chicken. I mean, you could even use tofu if you wanted to. But it really is a very simple dish to make. And so cheers and enjoy.